Got that mosquito.
Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Crypto Tips. My name is Toby.
My name is Heidi.
And we are on episode 54 of our AMA questions sent to us by our Patreon members. If you want to check out our Patreon classes, portfolio, trade updates within 5 minutes, we've been killing it. Congratulations for the people that bought Solana under 10. Bingo. That's what we are here for. Anyways, these are sent by our Patreon members, so let's get into it.
Okay, so first question. You always talk about holding long-term, but long-term is a little vague to me. You both have warned us that the end of the bull run, alts get wrecked. That is a true story. I have Cardano and Polkadot that I wish to hold long-term because of their potential value in the future. Would you advise, this is not financial advice, selling these as close to the top as possible and then buying back in when they crash? I don't want to miss out on profits, but I feel like selling might be dangerous if they don't come down later. Obviously, if you're in the cryptocurrency space and you want to time the market, selling at the top and buying at the bottom is an excellent strategy. Usually it's easier said than done.
Most people buy high and sell low.
Yes, most people are attracted to high prices.
Not our Patreon members.
Right. We're teaching that lesson.
Yeah.
So anyway, yes, obviously you're gonna wanna sell high and buy low when it does drop. Now this whole concept of you wanna take profits, but what if it never comes back down? Look at any chart of any cryptocurrency that has ever existed, Bitcoin included. It goes down, it corrects, particularly after a manic type bull run when prices are way overvalued. It will correct. It's constantly going through price discovery, constantly trying to find the fair market value of Bitcoin. So, and especially so for Cardano and for Polkadot, these are brand new altcoins. They will correct. Even if they have a solid project, even if they're hitting their roadmap one by one, there's so many new people investing in cryptocurrency now that these coins are often hitting valuations that are probably more than what they should be, especially during a bull run. And so inevitably there's going to run out of new people to buy the coin. There's going to be more people wanting to take profit than to invest in it. And that's when it starts heading back down and dipping, double dipping, triple dipping.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, this is our third bull run.
Yeah.
And so the first one, I had no idea where it was going to go. The second one, I'm like,
Had an
man,
idea.
this is going to last for a long time. Then nope. So this one we can already see that, it went from 65,000 to 28,500. That's a correction,
quick.
guys.
Yeah.
Very quickly. And so I think you're going to see less volatility the more people are on-ramped into this space. Except for the new coins that don't have a lot of liquidity. So the less liquidity a coin has, the further it's going to drop from what I've seen. Just because there's less money to recoup the coin. So, okay, back in 2013, Bitcoin went down, corrected 93%. 2011, it went down 93%. We are never going to see a 93% correction for the rest of our lives in Bitcoin, in my opinion. I don't think I'll never see that. We will never see that again. So I think the more and more people that are on ramped, the less volatile it's going to be. And remember that number next time somebody says this is the most volatile asset class in the world. Well, it's actually getting less volatile. And if you want to compare volatility, just look how fast it's risen from $3,500 back in March 2020. And then a year later, it was almost at $65,000. So that's volatile.
Who said Bitcoin can't 20x?
Yeah, but I mean, if you're scared of volatility, you're just scared of gains.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But
as far as
altcoins
go, yeah, they're going to get decimated. A lot of them are going to disappear. I mean, we had the last bull run. We had Dash in the top 5, I think.
Yeah.
We had gosh, what other?
PivX was one.
Exclusive coin.
I've actually made a list of the promising coins
my
that I
gosh.
remember from 2017, and I'm going to be working on, I'm going to do a video, coins that failed and why, and I'll feature a few of them just to give an example that there's so many promising coins now, and granted, there's a lot more use cases and they're actually being utilized far more than they were in 2017. Like 2017 was basically just speculation. So maybe coins now have a bit more staying power, but what's relevant now, who knows if it's going to be relevant 5 years from now? What else is going to be disruptive technology that we're going to be all into? You know what I mean? So the moral of the story for this question is don't be afraid to take profits. It's probably going to be something you regret, particularly if you're dealing with altcoins during a bull run. If it is an altcoin that continues to, exist and thrive through the next bear market and prove to be relevant in the next bull market, take profits now, buy back when it's cheaper, have more coins in the long term, and see what happens.
We will let people know on our Patreon when we are selling. We told people we were selling. We got rid of probably about 40% of our coins.
Yeah.
Back before the.
In June, we did a huge.
On the bounce of that giant crash, we got out of a lot, and then we bought a ton back later. Yeah. We will let everybody know, but just keep in mind that altcoins do tend to go down like 80 to 90% or more. It's not worth keeping on to your coins, like your alts. We're not gonna sell everything. We're gonna keep on to our strongest alts, but as far as the rest, just get rid of it. Whatever. Just take the profit.
And then if it's a worthwhile coin, it's still gonna drop in price, but you can always buy back cheaper.
Definitely, especially with the other coins that you sold at the near the top. And you can just buy back really solid projects. Because things are constantly changing in this environment. And so you're going to want to be on top of these things, and you're going to want to have cash on hand.
Yeah, dry powder. Anyway, thank you everyone for tuning into this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, we appreciate it. If you hit the like button, hit subscribe, because we're getting these videos out every day. And if you like your fix of crypto tips, hit subscribe with the bell notification. And
stay disobedient. Don't follow the sheep. Follow us instead.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.